Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Louise made a request for Kraft and Heinz. So here you go, Louise. Let's just take a look. Kraft and Heinz has a market cap of $47 billion and it's in the packaged foods industry. Of course, it has its brands Kraft and Heinz, but it also has brands like Philadelphia, Yellow, and Capri Sun, and many other brands. You can see that with dividend reinvested, it has actually underperformed the S&P 500 quite a lot, at least since we have data from 2015. Let's take a look also at the earnings and growth numbers, and this most of data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth is an X, it's actually negative. Earnings growth is minus 25%, so that's a big X. Earnings estimates forward is also minus, so that's an X. Return of capital is quite low, only 2%, and we want to see around 12% plus, so that's an X. The debt is barely a check mark, it's under 5, debt to free cash flow. And they have not been buying back any shares. Now for some dividend metrics. The dividend yield is actually quite high, 4.17%. But so is the payout ratio on 56.7%, so keep an eye on that one. The growth rate is actually negative, so they have cut their dividend a bit. And the growth year by that is 0 years. So that gives Kraft Heinz only 3 out of 10. On gurufocus.com we can see that they are valuating Kraft Heinz as a bit overvalued. So what your guys thought on Kraft Heinz? I think it is has not the characteristics of a quality company, and that I would be a bit careful on investing in this company for my dividend portfolio. Let us also take a look at the valuation in fast graphs. Here you can see that the earnings has almost been non-increasing. It actually has a 0.36% only earnings growth over this period of time, 11 years. But if you would buy it at the low valuation it has now, and if the stock price would trade at this blue line, which is its normal PE, you could actually have a total annual rate of return of 13.6% annually. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this informative, and see you next time.